channel. So today we're going to be doing this very beautiful soft glam look for Eid. So I know there's not going to be a lot of Eid parties or anything this year, but you can always dress up and look good for your family and friends and whoever is around you, or you just want to look good because you want to look good and it's Eid. Of course you want to look good. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, please stay tuned. First, I'm applying my Juvia's Place concealer all over my lids. Just using this as my eyeshadow primer. Pretty too light. You can use a brush or your sponge to blend this into your skin, but I like to use my finger to warm up the product and just get it onto my lids. And for eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna be using Jaclyn Hill's palette with Morphe. I love this palette. It's so versatile, and I'm sure you guys have seen this all over YouTube. First, I'm picking up this light shade right here, and I'm gonna apply this all over the lids. This is just gonna set the concealer that we have applied, and it has a nice beautiful shine, which is gonna peek through later on. So I'm gonna quickly do this look on my left eye off camera, and then I'll be right back to show you guys how to do this look step by step on camera. Alright, so I'm back. This is a very quick, simple look. So first I picked up the shade right here with a blending brush. So I'm just gonna focus this onto my crease, and then bring it on the outer corners. Blend it out, blend, blend, blend. You guys, I'm so tired. I literally had 3 hours of sleep and my eyes are killing me. I'm sorry if my eyes look red. It's because I haven't slept, and well, I'm wearing contacts too, which is not helping. Alright. Whoa. I'm tearing up. I'm so tired. I promise it's not the contacts. It's me being tired, and my eyes are just like very sensitive right now. Because when you're tired, your eyes are just like, you know, kind of like you feel like you have sand in your eyes. You don't? Okay, give me a minute. Sorry guys. Next, with a small pencil brush, I'm gonna pick up this brown, dark brown shade right here. And then what I'm gonna do with this is I'm just gonna apply it to my inner corner, and then just on the outer corners right here. Like that a little bit. And I'm just gonna bring it onto my crease as well. Just like a half a moon. That's what we're drawing, like a half a moon kind of thing. Doesn't it look like a half a moon? I think it looks like half a moon. Okay. So with my blending brush, I'm gonna blend this out. Can up a little more of that dark brown. Applying it on the outer corner and then dragging it onto my crease. I love the warm brown, so I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this like burnt orange, tap off the axis, and just apply this right above the crease and blend it out. I'm applying a little more of the dark brown to deepen the eye. Mix it with that burnt orange and blend them both out together. Now with the flat brush, I'm gonna pick up this dark brown shade. It's the shimmer ones. So soft. So I'm just gonna apply this to the midsection of my lid, and then bring it all the way to your crease. I'm just gonna spray my brush with a setting spray. So what this does is, and it's gonna give me that nice wet look. So I'm just now picking up that brown. Look at that, it's so pretty. Do you guys see the difference? It just looks so nice and smooth. And just pick a very tiny bit of that burnt orange and go back and just blend it with the dark brown we just applied. Like that. Now with a very small pencil brush, I'm gonna spray. This is wet. Whoops, that wasn't the brush. I sprayed the brush, and with the brush I'm gonna pick up this nice gold shade. And what I'm doing with this is I'm just drawing a line where my crease is. It's just gonna give your eyes more dimension. So by applying the gold on top of your crease, it gives you like a nice soft cut crease look. So now with a flat brush like this, I'm picking up this dark brown, and I'm gonna look up and apply this to my lash line. And then just bring it up a little bit, almost like an eyeliner. Like that. Now with a pencil brush, I'm gonna pick up this burnt orange shade, and I'm gonna look up and blend these two shades together. So now I'm gonna just wipe off the excess. I'm just wiping off the fallout off of my face. And for a primer, I'm going to be using my TATCHA Silk Canvas. I love this primer. And it smells good too. Okay. Warm it up between your fingers. Just apply it all over your face. It is a little pricey, but I really think it's worth it. So for foundation, I'm going to be using Makeup Forever's Matte Velvet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply this with my fingers. I've been doing this lately. And I love it because it like goes on my skin so smoothly. I know as a makeup artist you're gonna be like, ew, I know, and I hate when it's on my fingers and stuff, but I love how light it applies onto my face. So I just got a little on my fingers. I'm gonna rub this together, okay, and then just apply it all over your face. And I feel like because I have textured skin and also have oily skin, applying less is more for my kind of skin. And if you have oily skin, try this and see, because I get cakey by the end of the day. And when I do it like this and I apply a little bit, it just like doesn't cake up on me. And whatever I have on my hands, I just bring it down to my neck. And for concealer, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place concealer. So my concealer, I'm going to apply with my blending brush. Sponge. A little. Very tiny like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend this out. God, I don't know why we make these faces while we apply concealer or like mascara to our lower lashes. I think it's just like this area of the eye. I like sit there and edit my videos and I'm like, what the hell is wrong with me? Like, why am I making all these faces? And now for baking, I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty's Loose Powder and Banana. I'm just gonna look up and apply this under my eye. You could totally skip this step. You don't have to bake. I just like to bake because I want my makeup to last long and not crease on me. I'm gonna let the powder sit on my skin for a little bit, and I'm gonna use the Bronze Goddess by Estee Lauder to bronze up my face and contour. So it has these two shades. I like to use this for contour and then mix them up for bronzer. So I'm just gonna pick up the darker shade now. These earrings are so heavy, you guys. I'm gonna mix both the shades and apply to my forehead. Also using this on my cheekbone. So I'm gonna contour my nose and do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be right back. So here we are. The eyebrows are done, and I'm just gonna wipe away all the excess powder. Bring whatever powder is left onto the contour just to soften it up a little bit. And I'm just gonna take a smaller brush to wipe off the little powder applied next to my nose contour. For blush, I'm going to be using my favorite Rosier Baked Blush by Milani. Pulling this out. And I like to apply it a little bit on my nose and forehead. It just warms up your whole face. For highlighter, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's highlighter. I'm going to be mixing these two shades. Just apply a little over my forehead, obviously my chin. Okay. The other side. I'm also gonna apply this onto my cupid bow and chin. And definitely, and don't ever forget, and put on my nose. Bridge of my nose. I'm not used to using a small brush. Just gonna blend it up like in between my brows. I like it right here. And then just drag it down. Just apply a tiny bit on top of your nose. Like so. I'm just applying a little under my brows with a detail brush. So my inner corners. Now for lips, I'm gonna be using these two lipsticks from MAC. One is Burnt Spice and the other one is Back in Vogue. So first I'm gonna take Burnt Spice. This is my favorite. I love Burnt Spice. And I'm just gonna apply this onto my lips. And now I'm going to take Back in Vogue. I'm just going to apply this in the midsection. It's like a nice coral. And just mix these two together. Before I apply my lashes, I like to set my face using my Milani's Matte Finish setting spray. I love this. And the reason I do this is because when I have my mascara, I don't like to use waterproof. It kind of gets on my under eyes when I do the setting spray. So I like to do the setting spray first. And then mascara and falsies are my last step. For lashes today, I'm going to be using Lily Glitchy Lashes and Orlando. First, I'm going to apply a coat of mascara onto my lashes. Because I don't like to use mascara on my falsies. It makes my falsies fall apart a lot quicker. I'm just gonna pop them on. Okay, so you just try to apply it in the middle and then take that section, screw it down, and then the inner section. And this is it, bada bing, bada boom. I'm just gonna apply a few coats of mascara onto my lower lashes and we're gonna be done. So, okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this look come together. I know it's so sad that we're all gonna be stuck at home for this Eid. I hope you guys have fun doing whatever you're gonna be doing for Eid. You're gonna have fun. I'm sure you're gonna have fun just hanging out with family, eating great food, and just having fun. I hope everyone has an amazing Eid. May Allah accept all your fasting and prayers. Thank you so much for watching again. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on TikTok and Instagram, both at Makeupbyroya. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.